I'm kind of shy now. Okay, got him. Okay, I'm Norman Asbury. I'm from OG Abova. And, just make it short and sweet. Last weekend, bonding, full lean, and about 7 years, man. 7 years? July, about. And I told Hook there, I gotta go down there. At least one. And July, yeah. And bonding, full lean, yaki, baking, full lean, it made me feel good. He tried Mvskoke now, it made me feel good. And next day, I'm out with him. I get nervous, I'm not. But anyway, I get that deal. And my buddy, sent him my name, my buddy Dustin Cloud, he come over. And he said, "Norm, I thought you was gonna cry." Man, I get that deal, but it was my fault, because I ain't been there 7 years. Bonding, Hilly Silain, he more OG more full, And man, I felt good. Got emotional a little bit. I ain't took it in 7 years. And I told Hope to though. I told him when sometimes you abuse your body, alcohol, drugs. Mine was alcohol, but anyway, I said, he least what? Go funga, be muddy. And it helped me, my testimony, it helped me through life. He least still I grew up there. He least still I am. It helped me on my journey, in life. If you can take medicine, do it, take it. It's good for you. But, like I said, I grew up down there. And like I said, last weekend, I felt good, I had a good time. I cramped up a little bit next day, but it was all right. But, stitch will look good. But it's healing, but it's good for your body. Chopping it up. But like I said, I was sure glad to be down there. Sorry of Bonnie. Bonnie didn't make it down there, but I know he would have made it down there. We all get, we all getting older. And like I said, to me, that medicine helped me all through my life. I've been away from it, where I don't feel like it. July, the book get, and I'm glad to see some OG Abova people here. And like I said, he gave us a chance. And I was glad to be there. Seeing Miko, at least higher. That's all right. Felt good. Like I said, but my friend Dustin, he teased me. I thought you were gonna cry. I got emotional, but it was good. Wow, Madu, my bad.